mo na yan.
Okay, if I may ask, kasi mukha siyang foreigner, di ba?
Actually.
Oo. Are you a mixed blood? Kasi ito, alam ko ng mixed blood to eh. Are you?
A little bit. My dad is half Iranian though.
Oh, so half Iranian. Are you worried for your dad? Because right now, there's something...
Sige, ilaban mo yung Iranian mo.
Gawa, tayo pa ako ng English. Alright, are you worried right now since there are actually cases happening in Iran versus in what country again? Israel? Yeah, I've been there before.
Kaso napabalik siya bigla.
Are you worried about the war going on these two countries?
Well, to be honest, yes, a little bit, but I'm more focused on what's happening in our country right now.
Because you're here.
Yeah,
Alright. At least as a little bit that you're concerned, but now, as you have said that you're actually concerned for our country, let's see what hashtag you will choose or pick and tingnan natin kung talagang related sa country natin ang makukuha mo ngayong gabi. And talaga namang rampant din sa Pilipinas yung hashtag niya. Judges and additionals, hashtag pageantry.
Well, that was an interesting hashtag. To be honest with you, in this kind of competitions, pageantry, whether it is Bikini Open or pageant itself, we people does not just show our beauty of face or our body. We also show our strength, weaknesses, our intelligence, as well as our talents. Because at the end of the day, if we move forward, we make sure that in front of everybody, we can be a good influence to them. We can show them that a person like us can make sure that we can be better, we can be great, we can stand in front of other people, show confidence, and at the end of the day, we make sure that we are people of this nation. That is my answer. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 13.